Today you're looking at one of the newest developments in one of the most sought after area in Hyderabad. You guessed it right, it's Kokapet. This is Fortune Sontala Sky Villas by SSI. We have massive units starting from 6,333 square feet all the way up to 7,333 square feet. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Right off, we enter the formal living room. I love how well lit this place is with natural light seeping in through these huge windows we have here. It gives this place a very warm and welcoming tone. This space can be utilized to entertain your formal guests while also not intruding your privacy. I love how well designed and thought out this place is because the layout keeps this space very private. And as we move along here in front of me, we have a small room. This can be used for multiple purposes. It can be used as a courtroom, as a foyer area, as a storage unit, or you can even keep things like your keys here to just grab them on the go. So I love how practical this space is and it keeps your living room clutter-free. Moving forward, we have the private part of this property, and to my left, we have the first bedroom. This can be used as a kid's bedroom or a guest bedroom depending on your requirements. It is very spacious with a lot of room to walk around, and in fact all the rooms of this property are so spacious. You'll see that as we continue this tour. This comes with a beautiful walk-in closet right here as well as an attached bathroom. Now let's go back out because we have a lot more to explore. Now let's check out the second bedroom. As we enter, you can see how huge the space is. Enough room to walk around, and this can be used as a parent's room. It comes with an attached walk-in closet. This is a square walk-in closet with a lot of area to get dressed, and also it has an attached full bathroom. All the hardware fittings of this property are imported as well as premiums. Now let's go back out. Right in front of me, we have a dedicated puja room. Look at how spacious this is. It is very unusual to find this huge space dedicated for puja in apartments. And all the apartments of this project are designed as per Vastu. Now let's enter bedroom number 3. Again, it is a very spacious room which has a king-size bed and a TV unit and a window where light will be seeping in the morning. All the rooms in this apartment come with a walk-in closet as well as an attached bathroom. If you haven't already noticed, all the bathrooms come with a floating vanity as well as an enclosed shower area. Let's move ahead. Now let's enter the heart of this space, which is the informal living room. I mean, look at how lavish this is. This space is so huge, and it is where you spend the most time with your family, lounging and just de-stressing after a long and hectic day, while taking advantage of the incredible views that you have right behind you, which we'll preview when we check out the balcony in a bit. So let's move along. The living space seamlessly transitions to the dining area, which has a seating for 8. It can also be extended for up to 10 because the space is accommodating of that. And if you haven't already noticed, the apartment comes with soaring high ceilings which are 11.4 feet tall, just like the penthouses that you see in New York. I mean, if this is not real luxury, I don't know what is. This allows for better air circulation and ventilation. And if you want to host a huge guest list, this place is perfect for that because it is so expansive. Moving on to my right, we have the powder room. This is easy access for your guests so that they can freshen up without having to enter any of your bedrooms. Now let's move on to my most favorite part of this apartment, which is the balcony. Wow, I mean, look at this. I'm at a loss of words seeing how extensive this balcony is. And you can experience incredible panoramic city views right from here. And we have an outdoor sitting area as well. So you can have your coffee while enjoying sunrise, sunset with these incredible views. And in spite of having an outdoor seating area, we still have enough space for other recreational activities, just like yoga, which I believe is perfect. We also have a bar section right here, which transforms this place to the perfect hangout spot for your friends. Now, let's check out the most interesting part of this house and something I don't think you've ever seen before, which is the kitchen. So let's head back. Now, why I call the kitchen interesting is because this apartment does not have one, but two kitchens. Yes, you heard me right. Two kitchens. One to show and one to perform. Right behind me, we have the dry kitchen or the show kitchen, where most part of the cooking does not happen, so that things are tidy for your guests. And in spite of having this huge marble island in the middle, I still have enough space to move around freely. So this is a huge space for a dry kitchen. And now let's check out the second kitchen, which is the wet kitchen or the chef's kitchen. Now this is where your private chefs and cooks do the actual cooking. I love how enclosed this space is so that the mess can be hidden inside and you can just display the food outside. This space is pretty big for a wet kitchen, and we have this door here which leads us to the utility area on the right. This can accommodate your washer, dryer, and we have a storage unit here to the left. Now let's move ahead to the most awaited part of this tour, which is the master bedroom suite. I am so excited to show you guys the master suite because I have a surprise waiting for you inside. This is the ultimate master bedroom suite, you guys. It spans 700 square feet alone. Imagine waking up here to these beautiful panoramic city views and natural light seeping in through the windows. I mean, it doesn't get better than this. And now for the surprise that I've been telling you guys about. It is every woman's dream. This is her walk-in closet. I mean, right off the bat, you can see how huge the space is. It has massive storage units to store your clothing items. And you can also display your exclusive items right here, such as your bags, shoes, etc. And you can get something like this installed in the center because it is perfect for storing your jewelry, sunglasses, watch collection. I mean, this is heaven. Now let's move and check out the master bathroom. Now this is real luxury. We have a his and hers vanity so that both of you can get ready together while still leaving enough room to walk around. And it comes with an enclosed shower space as well. I mean, this is phenomenal. And if you think that was it, you're wrong because I have a little surprise for the men watching as well. So follow me. Now I'm sure most of you haven't noticed this part, but this is actually a concealed door leading to his closet space. Here we have open shelving so that you can easily reach out to your clothes right here, and it also has space to store your watch collection, your tie collection, and I love how it keeps things super organized. And I like the fact that this space is separate from the her closet because it caters to the need of everyone who's living in this apartment, so it is very well planned. Overall, this is a phenomenal apartment. It has only 232 flats with 3 car parkings each. This project has only 2 flats on each floor and a 45,000 square feet clubhouse. Stay tuned to check out the massive clubhouse that has amenities like you've never seen before. This is SSI.